We will now learn how to determine how many chromosomes we have, and in this video we will look specifically at the number of chromosomes we have when we have a body cell. So if you take a body cell from a male, it has 22 pairs of chromosomes and 2 chromosomes that will not form a pair, and they are the X and the Y chromosomes. So we have 22 pairs plus the X and the Y, that makes 46 chromosomes in total. This is the karyotype. This is a homologous pair of chromosomes. This is another pair, a third one, and so on until we have the 22 pairs of chromosomes. These are 22 pairs of homologous chromosomes in the body cell of a human male, and these chromosomes are the X and Y chromosomes. They're chromosomes numbers 45 and 46. They do not form a homologous pair simply because they are not homologous. They are called the sex chromosomes. They determine the sex of the individual. In the male, they are XY. This is in the human male, of course. And the rest, the 22 homologous pairs, are called autosomal chromosomes. They have nothing to do with sex determination. In the female, if we take a body cell from this female, we have 23 pairs of homologous chromosomes. The human female, as we said, has 23 pairs of homologous chromosomes. The first 22 are autosomes, or autosomal chromosomes, like in the male. However, the female doesn't have XY for sex chromosomes. The female sex chromosomes are XX. These are homologous, so they form a pair. So this is the 23rd pair found in the human female. So the male has 2 sex chromosomes XY that do not make a homologous pair, while the human female has 2 XX sex chromosomes that make a homologous pair. So when you look at a karyotype and you see that it has 46 chromosomes, you can know it's human. Then you look at the sex chromosomes. If they are XY, that's a human male. If they are XX, that's a human female. So you can easily tell the species and the sex directly by looking at the karyotype. We kept saying homologous pairs, but to actually define it, a homologous pair of chromosomes is a pair of matching chromosomes. So here, for example, this is homologous pair number 1. It has 2 chromosomes number 1. They have the same genes, and that's why they are similar. So the genes in chromosome pair number 1 are similar. This is a chromosome pair. They are homologous. As you can see, they have the same genes. We have the red genes on the top, the orange genes in the middle, and then the yellow genes on the bottom. Other chromosomes will not have these genes because they are not homologous to these chromosomes. So for example, if one of those genes, gene A, is for the eye color, both of the chromosomes of the same homologous pair will carry this gene A for eye color at the same location. These cells are called diploid cells because their chromosomes come in pairs. So this cell that we got the genes from for the male karyotype is a diploid cell, and the cell that we got the genes from for the human female is also a diploid cell. They contain 23 pairs, even if the XY is not a homologous pair in the male. But all in all, they contain 23 pairs and a total of 46 chromosomes. This is a diploid human cell. It contains 46 chromosomes. You can remember diploid from double, so they come in pairs, so we have double the genes.